ResinKey by Ericsson's enhances the safety, food-grade compliance, and longevity of your resinous floors, especially when paired with Dura trench drains. ResinKey extends the life of your floor, preserves its appearance, and saves you from costly repairs down the road. Think of it as the final layer of protection, keeping your floor looking and performing like new for years to come. Your resinous floor is a premium investment designed to deliver strength, food safety, performance, and style. As the concrete consolidates and cures around the ResinKey cap, it forms a unique kiwi block-out shape in the concrete. Once the concrete has cured and the site is ready for the resinous floor to be applied, a flat edge tool can be used to pry the ResinKey cap off of the drain beneath. The distinctive shape formed in the concrete by the ResinKey cap creates a thickened mechanical edge in the resinous floor that locks around the drain edge. The durability of a resinous floor depends heavily on keeping moisture from seeping underneath, an issue that most often arises where the floor meets the drain due to improper installation. ResinKey eliminates this risk by ensuring a secure, seamless connection between the flooring and the drain. Protect your investment with ResinKey, the key to extending the life and durability of your resinous floors. Want to learn more? Visit us at www.duratrench.com or call one of our sales team members today.